Now I'll continue with question 3 of the worksheet. So for question 3, part A specifically, this is actually under chapter 1.2, which is to solve equations having fractional coefficient. Okay, so don't be surprised, the concept is the same. You just have to notice that the denominator is 2. So the other side's terms is, you can treat this entire 4 minus 2x as one term, right? So this will be over 1. The whole thing is over 1. So I will multiply 2 on both the numerators and the denominators. Okay, so that I can create a fraction with denominator 2. So this will be x minus 1 over 2 equals to 2 bracket 4 minus 2x over 2. Okay, so both having the same denominator, you can now equate the numerators. X minus 1 equals to 2 bracket 4 minus 2x. And then we're going to expand the right hand side to remove the brackets. 2 times 4, that's 8. 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4x. Okay, then we'll move all the x terms to one side and all the numbers to the other side. So this x term will go over to this side. This number will go over to this side. Okay, and this, when this happens, the sign will change. So this becomes x plus 4x and then 8 plus 1. So 5x equals to 9, which means that x is equals to 9 over 5, which is 1 and 4 over 5, or 1.8. Okay, and then this is 3a. So now we'll move on to 3b. Okay, for 3b, there is two fractions here. The denominator is 5 and x minus 7. So what's the LCM of the denominators? That will just be 5 bracket x plus 7. Okay, so that will be the denominator that we want, which means that to the first fraction, I'm going to multiply x plus 7 on both numerators and denominators. For the second fraction, I will be multiplying a 5. Okay, so this will give us 2 bracket x plus 7 over 5 bracket x plus 7, 5 bracket 3x minus 5 over 5 bracket x plus 7. Okay, so while it might look very complicated, all I'm trying to do is to make both the fractions have the same denominator. Once they have the same denominator, I can equate the numerators. Okay, so I can just solely focus on the denominator and the fraction disappears, right? Okay, so now I can expand 2 times x, that gives me 2x, 2 times 7, that gives me 14. 5 times 3x, that's 15x. 5 times negative 5, that's negative 25. Right? Then we will move the terms around again because I want to collect all my x on one side. So my x goes to one side and my numbers go to the other side. So this will give me 14 plus 25, 15x minus 2x. So this is 13x and this is 39. Then I will divide by 13 on both sides. So x is equals to 39 over 13, which is 3. Okay, so this is question 3. In my next video, I will continue with question 4.